Okay, comparing the rudders between my two old sailboats. In the front in white is the Banshee rudder. It's a fiberglass rudder with aluminum tiller and extension. In the back I have the Sunfish, which is the old style Sunfish rudder. It's mahogany with an ash tiller and a old style extension that doesn't have a full swivel on it, with an aluminum cheek. So things I like about the Banshee rudder is that it folds essentially flat. You know, you can fold this thing all the way down, and in use it flips out and goes around here, although to do that I need to unscrew this thing and reattach things in various places. But you know, so you set this thing up like this on the boat, and you just pin those pins into the boat, and you need to put a little ring on the bottom so it doesn't fall out the top. Now, things I don't like about this is to hold it up. If you are launching the boat, this guy here goes up like that, and you can hold it up with this thing clipped in here or in here. So that'll hold it up while you're taking the boat out. And then to get it down, once the boat is out, you know, you move that there so this thing can go down. But to keep it down, you have to pull on this string, or line, and pull, and it attaches in through this cleat up here. And you have to get enough force to keep it down and hold it down. So that part I don't like at all. And the only thing that makes this thing pop out is either line breaks or your cleat loses friction when this thing hits, and it can spin back up. I do like the universal spinny tiller. That's very nice and easy to use. It's much better than the tiller extension on the other one. So let's talk about the other guy. So this guy here, the Sunfish, has this spring arrangement for the cheek. And so when it's popped up like that, you hook this into the back of the sailboat. And the way you hook it in is so much easier. You basically push this up, it clicks in, it clicks down, it locks in place, it's locked in place, and you're pretty much golden at that point. Also, when you're ready to sail, you just push this thing back like that, and this is in the water. And it's spring loaded, so if you're sailing along and you hit something, this thing here will just spring up, it'll pop up, and your rudder's sticking out of the water again, or at least it's kind of lightly trailing in the water. So even if it's, even if it springs up, you're going to have a little bit of steering control. So I really like that spring action. Obviously it looks better because it's mahogany, but whatever. Ash wood looks nice. It works just as fine as the tiller. The tiller extension here, you need to be a little better on your handwork because it doesn't universal flip back and forth all over. It's just left, right, and so you got to reach around behind you and hand the tiller and hand the halyard, or handle the main sheet off. So your skills have to be a little better with that guy. All in all, the big downside here is it won't fold flat. That's as folded as it gets there. So that's not saving you much space. You have to hang this guy up. You get a bracket, and it'll hang on a wall kind of flat like that. So you can hang it up, but you can't fold it all the way backwards flat.